recommendation naman, iba to sa significance of the study. Nire-recommend mo dun sa mga important people na related dito sa study. Like street vendors should reflect on the knowledge and understanding, specifically the younger ones. The vending activities of the young street vendors should be effectively monitored. Yan. Tapos, vending activities yan. Ito naman, municipal hall should provide formal vending place. Hindi natatapusin, ano? The government should provide skill development. Gobyerno naman to. Barangay officials should do seminars. Unemployed individuals should take initiative. Social workers and consumers should remove the stigma, etc. Okay? So, as we can see here, dyan po natatapos yung atin pong chapter 5. Siyempre, mas mapapaganda nyo pa yung sa inyo. Parang nag-run through lang tayo ng chapter 5.